Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now check this out. This is AI paying $24 just in 1 hour. Okay, check this out. This is AI. It's paying $24 in 1 hour, and all you need to do is for you to just have a conversation, and if you can speak good English, like the UK accent English, that is all you need. Okay, now you have to find a friend that can also speak UK English. Now if you have a friend that can also speak UK English, just have a conversation with the person just in an hour, and each will receive $24. That is how simple this is. Now there is something about this site also, is that it's have a selected country, but I'm going to give you a VPN. Now this VPN will help you register an account. You're going to put the VPN as a USA VPN. Now the VPN you're going to use is the Proton VPN. I'm going to show you the VPN right now on the screen. Okay, so go ahead and download the Proton VPN. If you get this VPN, go straight and connect it to the USA network. Now once you're connected to the USA network, proceed and register your account. Make sure that before you're registering your account, you have this VPN ready. Now once this VPN is ready, proceed and register. But let me first of all go through and talk about what this site is all about. So before I continue, I'd like you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on that all, the notification bell, so that you stay alerted whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. Go ahead in the comment section and just say something. That is all I want you to do for me. Okay, now once you are registered, you see a page that looks like this, which is good afternoon, okay customers, welcome, find your first tax and earning. Okay, now start earning in 3 steps. Join our community of contributors, find tax, submit your work, and get paid directly into your account. Okay, I'm going to show you the account that you're going to be paid in. Okay, now this is so simple. Once you get here, just go ahead and click on this find tax. That is where you're going to be getting the tax that you can perform each day. As you can see, the variable tax right here is the tax of $24. The tax of okay, these are the 2 tax, others are closed. Okay, wow. When I take this last, I only had 2 tax. Now I have 4 taxes. Okay, now this first tax is just an American English asset tax, and the second one is read English script. So what you just need to do is to just read the script. If you read the script in an hour, it pays you $24, and within a minute it pays you 0.40 per dollar. Like I'm talking $0.40 per minute. That is how it pays out. Now what you just need to do is to just click on it and join the activity. I'm not going to just do this. It's simple. Okay, that's that. You have to choose the tax, whether you're going for a conversation with your friends, just connect with your friends, send your referral link to him, and you guys start the conversation, or whether you're just reading this script. Make sure that you have a nice asset. You can equally call me if you feel like calling me, so that you can have a nice asset. Okay, so you can call me, we can talk, and this is a nice opportunity for you to call me. We can talk about anything, and within an hour we can get $24 each. So that is it. There are also plenty of taxes right here that you can check it out. So just go ahead and check all these taxes out. Okay, now when it comes to withdrawal earning, and a lot of you are actually going to ask me about that withdrawal. Okay, so right now I still have 0.0000 USDD right here, but let me show you. So if I want to set up my account, just simply here that they said set up the payment method, just click on it. So you're going to be selecting whether you are going to be paid with the Vinomo or the Wise. You can see the Street Bank, which is the bank transfer. See, this bank transfer is what I will be referring you to. You can also choose the payment method of your choice. But if you have any problem with that, you can equally text me. We can see to it if you'll be needing an account, such as the PayPal account. I think the PayPal account is still under maintenance, so you're not going to be using a PayPal account. You can use the Vimo though. You can use the Wise, you can use other bank transfer just as your means of withdrawal. So this is how simple it is. Now let me show you how to register. So once you get the link, which will be in the description of this video, you see the link on the description of this video or in the Telegram group, just go ahead and click on it. Okay, it will take you to a page that looks like this. So what you're going to see is this. So proceed and sign up. So I'm going to be signing up with you, so you see what you're going to be picking when you are signing up. So instant, I'm going to be registering with my original name. Make sure that everything right here is legit. Okay, this is okay. Cosmos. Okay, I've already registered with this name, so I'm going to change another one. I'm going to say John Paul. Okay, so John Paul. and I'm going to use an email, customer service drop. Okay, I'm going to select the age 24, 18 to 24. My gender is male. So I told you before registering this, you're going to need your VPN. So I'm going to proceed and on my VPN. Okay, I'm using the Proton VPN. So okay, so on my VPN. The VPN has a lot of servers. You can enter Roman, any country of your choice. I'm going to just change it. I'm going to go through it right here. I'm just change the server, and okay. So once you're just connected to the USA or any country of your choice, okay, just proceed and continue. Okay. Now these are the requirements that are being needed. We'll scroll down. We'll go right here. All you need is your high quality microphone if you have the smartphone, yes, and proceed and click on continue. Okay, English, of course, country of your choice. I told you USA, so make sure that your VPN is connected. Okay, right here I'm going to just keep this. When it comes to audio, go to conversational and environmental sound. Just click these two. Screen recording, click this one, and screenshots. Then click on agree on terms and complete your sign up. So you're going to submit this. You're going to send the verification right there in your email. So once you get the verification in your email, it might take 24 hours, it might take 2 days, whatever. Just click on it and start up. That is how simple you're going to start earning with AI. Like a lot of AIs are really paying these videos, and I will do my best to bring in you the updates every single day. Okay, what we do right here is to bring you updates. That is what I do. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me right there on the description, on the comment section, and like this video that you are watching right now. Don't forget to share, and see you guys in the next video.